And trying to get a handle on whether or not somebody is overweight or not, insurance companies, doctors' offices oftentimes use something called BMI or body mass index, where you simply take the person's weight in pounds times 703 and divide it by their height in inches squared. So if somebody weighed 170 pounds, you'd multiply that times 703. If they were 5 feet 7, you'd then divide that by 67, and then you divide it by 67 again. That gives people a rough idea for insurance purposes, but it really doesn't tell you anything about your body composition. Better ways to figure out body composition might be to use underwater weighing, which we don't have at Brevard College, or skin fold calipers, which we do have down in MS 110, the Fitness Appraisal Lab. If somebody wanted that to happen, we could measure skin fold measurements or pinch the skin by opening up the caliper at different places in the body, putting it through some formula, and figuring out somebody's percent body fat, their body composition in terms of lean body weight. Another way that's a lot easier that you can do on your own is using a device called electrical impedance. With this device, it runs a little current through your body, and it looks at, basically has to do with body water. The more muscle you have, the more water you have, the more muscle mass you have, and the less fat. If you do that, there's some instructions that you should abstain from eating 4 hours prior, avoid moderate and vigorous exercise 12 hours prior, urinate or void completely right before the assessment, don't have any alcohol 48 hours before, and then refrain from having diuretic things, including caffeine, right before the test. That's to make it most accurate. In doing the test, any kind of body composition, you need an accurate weight. We have a scale down in MS 110 if you'd like to use that, and your accurate height. For the electrical impedance device, you just simply turn it on, and then you enter height. So for my example here, it's 5 feet 7, and then if you're 5 feet 7 1/4, you'd hit the decimal point once. If you're 5 feet 7 1/2, you'd hit it twice. Then you weigh yourself and get an accurate weight. Let's say again that you weigh 170 pounds. If you weighed 170 1/2, you'd hit the decimal place once. And then you enter your age. For example, let's go with that you're 21 years old, and then you toggle with the male or female, hit it once or twice until it says female or male, whatever you are, and then you hit set. Then it's ready to take the measurement. For that, you grab these metal pieces, left hand on the left side as you're reading the dial, and then your right hand would be on the other side. And what you do is you hold it up at shoulder height so that whenever you're looking at it, it's straight in front of your eyes and your arms are straight in front of you. Whenever you actually do the measurement, you just hold real still, and you'll hold on to both sides. Again, I can only hold on one and videotape, but you press this start button. When you press the start button, a little line will go across as it's sending the current through you, and it'll give you your fat weight, your percent body fat. And from that, you can figure out your total weight minus your body fat will give you your lean body weight. And then as you do a training program, your lean body weight actually might increase while your fat weight decreases, and your weight stays the same. So it's great to do and can easily be done, especially if you follow the rules. If you have any questions, just let us know. Thank you.